Stop wasting hours on repetitive editing tasks. I'm about to show you a plugin that cut my editing time in half. If you're a video editor, you know how tedious it is to repeat the same commands over and over. But this tool completely transforms your workflow. The plugin is called Motion Tools for After Effects, and it automates everything from repositioning anchor points to creating bounce effects, connecting layers to null objects with one click, and staggering layers instantly. There are dozens of possibilities with Motion Tools, but I'll show you the techniques I use most often. First example is layer staggering. Let's select these 6 layers and set the opacity to 100% at frame 10 and 0% at frame 0. I'll turn off the other layers for now. Next, set the step to 2 and the amount to 10. This staggers every second selected layer, moving each one 10 frames away from the previous. This alone can save you massive amounts of time when working with multiple layers. Second example is null object parenting. Watch how quickly we can parent multiple layers to a null object. Select all the layers. Set opacity to 100% at frame 10 and 0% at frame 0. Now, while all layers are still selected, click the Null Object button in the panel. Instantly, all layers are parented to the null. When I change the null's position, every layer moves together. It's that simple. Third example is changing anchor point position. This is the tool I use most. Let's say you want to highlight text by scaling it from 0 to 100 on the x-axis. Normally, you'd need to manually reposition the anchor point. With Motion Tools, just click the rectangle where you want the anchor point and you're done. I use this constantly for text animations, highlights, and pretty much any scaling effect. Fourth example is bounce effects. Let me create a circle and animate its position with 2 keyframes. Motion Tools gives you 2 expression options, elastic and bounce. By adjusting the parameters, you can create any bounce effect you want for your objects. There are many more features in Motion Tools, and I'll cover them in future videos. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.